Hi there, I'm Jen from Simple Green Smoothies, where I'm on a mission to help you fuel your passion. And today I want to take you inside my new book, which is called Simple Green Meals, where there's over 100 plant-powered recipes, snacks, meals, desserts that are going to help you thrive from the inside out. The recipe I want to make for you today is called the Emerald Green Gem. And yeah, it's a green smoothie recipe because that is really my signature jam. And I wanted to make sure that you can try this before it's even out so you can see if you like it and give it a thumbs up if you do. Okay, we are gonna take 1 cup of fresh spinach, which is really about 1 good size handful. So you can just grab it out of the container that way, put it into the blender, and that is how you get 1 cup of spinach. Now we are gonna add 1 orange, that's peeled, but you don't have to worry about getting all the little pieces off of it, which is the pith. Go ahead and leave that in there. That has the most vitamin C of the orange, and we want all the vitamins we can get in this smoothie. Now we're gonna add in 1 cup of water. I like to use filtered water. It's just cleaner tasting, less impurities in it. If you're not using a high-powered blender like a KitchenAid or a Vitamix or Blendtec, then you're gonna wanna pause right now and blend your ingredients together. So this will help avoid any leafy chunks because you do not want those in your final smoothie or in your teeth. And kids never like that either, you know. Now let's add in the banana and the 1/4 of an avocado, which has a lot of healthy fats and vitamin E in it. And vitamin E is great for our skin. And that is something that we always need more of. So if you notice that when you have a smoothie for breakfast and you're like immediately hungry afterwards, it's probably because you're not adding enough healthy fats to your smoothie. So give this one a shot and see how you feel. The last thing we're gonna add is 1/2 cup of frozen peaches. And we're using frozen peaches because it's easy, they're already cut, they're already chilled. It's kind of like the ice cube of the smoothie, but also adding this delicious summer refreshing peach flavor too. All right, now we're gonna put the lid on the blender, turn it on, and watch it blend. Depending on the blender you're using, this could take 2 minutes to blend, or it could take as little as 30 seconds. So just pay attention, watch your container, and as soon as all the leafy chunks are gone, I would say it's ready to go. All right, now that we've finished blending the Emerald Green Gem smoothie, we're gonna pour it into a glass. And this recipe makes 1 serving, so it's about a 16-ounce mason jar full of green goodness. If you wanna make more for a friend, just double the recipe and you can do it that way too. This is just one of over 100 recipes that you can get in my new book called Simple Green Meals. If you love this recipe, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to leave a comment below, I would appreciate that so much. And make sure to subscribe to my channel where I'm going to keep sharing recipes that I drink and eat for me and my family so that I can do the things that matter most to me. All right, peace, love, and leafy greens.